nakarang araw, pumunta kami sa mall to buy a gift for my boyfriend for his 25th birthday. And this is what I got. Ayan, ito yung Lacoste Power Court. Power Court 224 in navy blue. So here's how it looks like. Ayan siya. And actually, maraming pinagdaanan tong gift na to kasi bumili na ako before sa official website ng Lacoste. Pero hindi ko na double check na UK size pala sila. So, pagdating dito, mali yung size. So, I had to buy another one. And this time, hopefully tama na yung size. Kasya na sa kanya. If may allowance man, konti na lang. And I hope magustuhan niya tong gift na to. So, tomorrow, which is Monday, since 24 yung birthday niya, isusurprise ko siya ng 23 night. Just a little setup. Maglalagay lang ako ng balloons, maglalagay ako ng birthday banner, and then magluluto yung mom ko ng pasta, because pasta is his favorite. And then, yung surprise gift. I-film ko naman yung pag-surprise, of course. So, panoorin niya lang. Good luck to me! So, ito yung setup na ginawa ko. Ito yung sa may dining table. Naglagay lang ako ng plate charger and lamp and yung gift niya sa akin before. And then, ito naman yung sa living area, which is where nakalagay yung gift and yung little cake. And here's the overall setup. And now for the surprise. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, thank you.
Happy birthday.
Sabi na eh. Thank you.
Ano na naman?
Halata. Wow, ganda. Thank you. Buti maganda ko.
Hindi ka kita. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hindi ka nag-wish.
Ay, hindi kasi uso sa akin yun eh.
Sino? Ang tagal magbukas. Dito ko man yung gunting.
Wow. Thank you. Ano to? Wow. Nakawalan ko. Loafers. Hey, white shoes. Thank you. Yay. Ang ganda. Wow. Ay, pinag dito. Ano ito? Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Wish.
FM. Duling!
Happy birthday. Dami na na. And then, ito naman yung niluto ng mother ko. Tuna pesto and steak with mashed potato. Together with a pizza.
Thank you. Ito na. Process.
So we basically ended the night with a chit chat and eating. And so this is the next day. We went to BGC. Nag-shopping lang ng konti tong birthday boy because he wanted to change his outfit. Then here's my little outfit of the day. Hindi na ako nag-heels because I feel like I'm overdressed na. Hindi mawawala ang aking nails on this special occasion. Pero dinikit ko lang yan. So if bet nyo rin to, ililink ko na lang yung shop. And then, so nakabili na nga ang birthday boy ng new outfit. So, ayan, nagpalit na siya. And this is our OOTD.
Alam mo, walang makita.
We're here!
Okay na?
Tignan mo yun. Grand
Kaya?
Hyatt.
Dito pick nga.
Oo nga.
We're in Grand Hyatt. Tuna pick. Papanood si Papa. Hanggang ko lang. Ganyan the pick.
Love.
Ganda ng shop.
Wala yung coffee, love. So we ordered their signature menu for 2 persons, and then I ordered iced coffee while he ordered lychee, a homemade iced tea. I didn't get to film the menu as well as the bill, so walang bill reveal. So ito signature menu nila, meron ng kasamang appetizer, Italian burrata, and then charred corn soup. Meron ding 2 entrees, yung Tasmanian toothfish, and then itong steak. Then this is our dessert, mango cheesecake. Thank you, The Pig, for this complimentary birthday cake. Yeah. Then after eating, we went to Mitsukoshi, and then after that, we went home.